Assalamu alaikum students, this is the 6th video of exercise 3.4. In this video I will solve question number 3. Statement of question number 3 is the formula P is equal to 90 into 5 raised to power negative Q over 10 applies to demand of a product where Q is the number of units and P is the price of 1 unit. How many units will be demanded if the price is rupees 1800? For this solution we have the relation is P is equal to 90 into 5 raised to power negative Q by 10. Take log on both sides. We get log P is equal to log 90 into 5 raised to power negative Q by 10, which is equal to log P is equal to log 90 plus log 5 raised to power negative Q over 10 log P is equal to log 90 minus Q over 10 log 5. Moving the value of negative Q by 10 to the other side and P to this side, we get Q over 10 log 5 is equal to log 90 minus log P. Now putting the value of P, we get Q over 10 log 5 is equal to log 90 minus log 18. For its factors of 90, we have 90 is equal to 3 into 30, 3, 10, 2, 5 or 5, 1. For 18 we have 3, 6, 3, 2 and 2, 1, which can, as we can see that it can be written as 18 into 5. So we have log 90 divided by 18 by upon cancelling we get log 5. Here Q over 10 is equal to log 5. Log 5 is cancelled by log 5. We get Q over 10 is equal to 1. Q is equal to 10. So the number of units which will be demanded is equal to 10. That's all.